right, here's our Maitake mushroom, and we made some wonderful dishes from the soft part that we sliced up, and when we got to the hard part, we diced it up, and we're going to be making tincture and vinegar. Let's make vinegar first. This is apple cider vinegar. When you're working with plants and mushrooms, you don't want raw vinegar. You want pasteurized vinegar. And even the vinegar from the store is already raw. So I pasteurize it by putting it into a non-metal pot that's a ceramic lined pot, bringing it up to a boil, turning the fire off, and just letting it cool back down to room temperature, and putting it back in my jug. And I X the top of my jug, and I X the front of my jug so that I know this is indeed the pasteurized vinegar. And now, over the diced maitake, and this is the harder parts, the parts that are hard to cook up nice and eat. And they'll get nice and soft in the vinegar. And this vinegar will aid longevity, will keep our hearts healthy. It will help reduce our risk of cancer. It will moderate any blood sugar swings. It will keep our liver healthy as well as our pancreas. Wow, what a lot of marvelous things the maitake does.